Doodle.
Peter, go.
You see the animals and their heads?
Okay.
Can you place the
Yes.
right head on the right
Yes.
animal?
Yes. Yes.
Twiddle tried hard.
Is
he right?
No, he's not.
Is this right?
Yes! Yes! That big! Yes!
Galing
Black
na
and
po,
white
talino ah.
stripes. What animal is that?
Yung bibi, tingnan mo, bibi. Yun, kumain, kumain. Ayan, ayan. Yan. Bilang mo.
It's a zebra.
Zebra.
Is he right? Yes.
Brown and white pattern. What animal is that? It's a giraffe.
Is this right? Yes.
Yan na, bibi. Yan na, yan na.
Has feathers that look like coins.
Count ka na, count. Dali. Yan, count na, dali.